Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create awesome highlight clip in CapCut. Highlight clips are perfect for capturing the best moments of your footage. Let's get started. Of course, you open your CapCut and create a new project. You import your footage, and if you have an existing one, you can continue with it. Watch through your footage and trim out the part you want to highlight. Tap on the clip, then select split at the beginning and end of each highlight moment, then delete the section you don't need. This will leave you with the most important part. To make your highlights flow seamlessly, add transition between each clip. Tap on the space between the clip, then go to transition and choose the one that suits your style, like fade or flash, for a polished look. To make your highlight reel more exciting and engaging, add effects like slow motion for key moments or add energetic music that match the vibe. Go to audio and select a track and sync it with the highlight. And that's it guys, you've created a dynamic highlight reel in CapCut, ready to be shared. Thank you so much for watching and enjoy showcasing your awesome videos you've created. See you next time. Bye bye.